Let's dive right into a mind-bending history mystery that literally challenges everything we know.
Could the Great Pyramid actually be 25,000 years old, like predating farming and written language entirely?
Italian researcher Alberto Domini used what's called the relative erosion method to challenge the standard timeline.
By comparing exposed weather damage to hidden, protected pavement, he essentially turned the pyramid into a giant stopwatch.
He didn't just check one spot, though. He averaged the damage across 12 locations to account for uneven weathering.
And wow, his math pointed to an absolutely astonishing new timeline of 25,000 years old.
But, most experts strongly disagree with this. They maintain the traditional date of around 4,500 years ago.
We can see generations of builders slowly figuring things out, kind of like smartphone updates, getting progressively smoother.
This massive structure was actually originally built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu during Egypt's 4th dynasty.
To pull off this engineering marvel, the Egyptians relied heavily on the Nile's annual flooding for massive food surpluses.
That extra food fed an absolute army of laborers, off-season farmers and citizens literally paying taxes through physical labor.
During the wet season, the river did the heavy lifting. Workers just floated multi-ton stones on shallow boats.
But getting them up, that's the real puzzle. A single straight ramp would equal the size of another pyramid.
Builders had to get creative. They probably used a spiral parking garage-style ramp, or maybe even a hidden internal one.
A huge breakthrough came from the ancient Hatnub Quarry, revealing an impossibly steep but highly efficient ramp system.
Workers clearly used wooden posts and ropes on sleds to create massive mechanical leverage up these short, steep inclines.
It's like teams hauled these multi-ton stones uphill like ancient gym bros doing a never-ending leg day.
So, between established timelines and 25,000-year anomalies, could the ultimate truth of the pyramids still be buried?
Bolo, be on the lookout for future discoveries, and definitely subscribe to this explainer so you never miss out.